ONET. It is the ultimate social media platform, designed with a plethora of special features to enhance your online experience and bring people together like never before. Let us understand some of its features and see how they work. Clubs feature provides a space for like-minded individuals to connect, share experiences, and build a community around shared interests. To avail this feature, log in to ONET. Click on Clubs and then on Create Club, write the name of your club in club title. Select a category. You can write a description for better understanding of your club. You can invite friends whom you want to join a club. You can keep it as a public club, or you can personalize it with the private option. You can upload a photo for the profile picture of the club, or you can drag and drop. The last step is to click on Create, and your club will be created. Schedule posts. Effortlessly manage your online presence with the Schedule Posts feature. To enjoy this feature, go to the home page of ONET. Click on Schedule Post, select the date and time, and save it. The post will reflect on your page at the scheduled time. Podcasts. Immerse yourself in the world of audio content with the Podcasts feature. Go to the home page of ONET, click on More, and then on Podcast. Here, you can see a wide array of podcasts and share your ideas by clicking on Create Podcast. Write the name of your podcast on Audio Name. You can select a category and your preferred language. Then you can either upload the audio or drag and drop it to the Add Audio section. Write a description about the podcast in the description. You can add any image for the thumbnail of the podcast by clicking on Add Thumbnail. You can check all the given information by clicking on Preview. Finally, by clicking on Publish, you can share the podcast with your network. Blogs. Share your ideas with the world through the Blogs feature and engage with a global audience. To experience this feature, go to the home page of ONET, then click on Blogs. Here, you can access the blogs and draft your ideas by clicking Create Blog, and share your own ideas by clicking on Create Podcast and the content in the description. You can also add an image for your blog. You can either save it as a draft or post it by clicking on Publish. ONET is shaping modern social networking with AI-powered technology. Be a part of the revolution and join ONET for free. For more information, visit onpassive.com.